Hey, how's it going? This is Matthew Ashton for CPM 1412. This is my iOS project review video. So let's go ahead and get started. So what it is, I create an application, mostly using the parse format and API and all their tools and all that fun stuff. It's a great app where you sign in and you're able to save your favorite beers, keep track of all of them, and all of them are going to be user specific. So I have a test user here account that I created. Go ahead and log in. And as you can see, you have a list of your favorite beers that you can click on. Bud Light is actually not one of my favorites, so I can go ahead and delete this beer and add a new beer. So, Larry by Massachusetts, one of my favorite beers here. A little bit stronger beer rating, 5 out of 5. So we go and add this beer, and now we have, that is one of my favorites. Click on it, and you're able to get the information that you just saw about your favorite beer, again, where you can go delete it, you can go back, and of course you can log out. So referencing the rubric here, you can see we do the ability to create data. I was able to create a new beer and add it to a list. I was also able to delete a beer that was part of my list that is user specific. And you're able to see all the information that you get when you click on the list item and get all the beer information that was saved. A couple of different types, one of them being the rating as an int. And it does have application UI, obviously, to be able to log in, log out, go back. Everything's accessible, but only if you are logged in. So say you have a user who doesn't have a login, you can set up a new account where you can create a username. Let's just say test user 4 password. As you can see, it is completely blank. So if you add a new beer here, Yingling, randomly guess here, going to do 4, add this beer. Obviously there's the beer added. Say you were to log out, we can go ahead and do the test user 2 again. Log in. As you can see, it is a different beer because obviously it is specific to the user. It is user restricted data that is only specific to the user that is logged in. And again, you can log out. Now you can also, if you go ahead and hit the home button here, and open the app back up, it does keep you logged in. Or again, you can log out, and that's the only screen that you're going to get. You are not able to access the app unless you are logged in. Well, so that is my iOS application. Again, I was able to touch on all these different points, creating a username and password. You are able to create data. Again, that is going to be the beer. You are able to read it. When you click on the beer in the table view, you get the detail that shows all the different type of information. You can delete a beer, and also, again, it does have all UI elements, logging in, logging out, and also logging out does return to the login screen here, which is the first screen. Cool. So that is it. That is my iOS application for CPM 1412.